Hi, my awesome friends. I am now working with the GreenStalk company. If you're interested in anything in this video or their website, please use my discount code and you'll get a discount, but it'll also help me get more GreenStalk items at a discount price or free. I really need your help to get my garden growing. So if you love this product like I do, think about using that discount code. And this is a product that I've been using for 4 years. So this isn't something that they contacted me. I contacted them that I was interested. Because this company is one that I am interested in, and I don't want just a bunch of free stuff. I want things that I really, really need, and I think this product is great if you are trying to grow a small garden vertically and easy to maintain and have everything working out great. Give it a try. My grandchildren did come over and help put this together with me. Not that it would have been difficult if I was a little younger. I am 75 years old and I have arthritis of the spine. So I do have to be careful about my back. But I'm telling you, once these get put together, it's so easy to garden and there's so little weeding to do. Everything works out beautifully in them. So this is a really good product put out by a family company here in the United States, and they're made here in the United States also. So you know the quality is good, and this plastic is food grade plastic, so you don't have to worry about planting in it, and it is easy to maintain. This is a really good product. Just letting you know, I did a review back in January 27, 2023, GreenStalk planner and my GreenStalk review. It has the discount code on it. If you decide to buy anything, please use that discount code. You get a break and I get a break, and it'll help me get more awesome things from GreenStalk. We didn't do a very good job explaining how we went about the process, so I'm going to try it with a voiceover. Well, what we did, we laid them all out, filled them up with soil to the top. When we got all the soil in, we also made sure every cell was watered thoroughly. We placed some plants I already owned and had in each one of them to have something pretty to look at while my seeds come up. I'm going to be planting seeds in here also, some veggies, things that don't get too big, like carrots and radishes and lots of other goodies. So make sure you come back and watch the video on planting the seeds. That'll be done in another week. So what do you think of these beautiful GreenStalks? Aren't they wonderful? Look at how beautifully they look. And once you start stacking them up, it will be wonderful. They came in a package of 5, but because we have so much wind here, we decided to just stack them at 3, and the other 2 make it a smaller stack of 2. I was really happy how it turned out, and as you can see, I have wonderful grandchildren that came over to do this project and help me out. And it was easy to do, and nobody struggled putting it together. It was something that we did within a very short amount of time. It wasn't a day project, only took an hour or 2.
Okay, next one. That one was easier.
So how many is that now?
That's 4, but it looks wobbly, Grandma.
It must be the ground isn't level.
Want to just do 4 then?
Yeah, and then I
You
guess
want to do 3? Do 3 and 3 and 3? The small ones?
You have an extra one.
Do 3 small ones? I don't think you should stack it to 5.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if you need to move the soil down a little bit.
Positive.
I'm positive.
Here you go.
Don't tell me those roller things are going to make it where it makes it too unstable.
I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I think if you did like the 3 with the roller, it should be pretty solid. It won't, but that's just, like wind's gonna hit it, and
That's what I'm worried about.
that's a lot of weight, and that thing will just go, and then all these will just be I could do 2 on the rollers, a 3 if you want, and then we could do maybe some back there if that's what you want. We could stack them. Trying to make them a pretty sort of level.
Well, after talking about it and discussing it, because I don't think our area was as level enough for the GreenStalks to stay stable. So we ended up putting 2 of them close to the block wall, 3 high, and left the ones out at the edge at 2 high. That way it made it stable where nothing was rocking and rolling. And another thing, I have a lot of wind where I live. And the one that I already own and have for the last 4 years has never fallen over, and it's done just fine in all the terrible windstorms that we've had here. We at least get 4 or 5 bad windstorms every year. So if your ground is level, they are very stable. But I guess this area that we were at wasn't quite level enough. Well, I still need to get everything cleaned up out here. It is a total mess. But at least we got the GreenStalks planted yesterday. My grandchildren came over and helped me get these all planted. And I also bought 2 sets of 3s of these from Dollar Tree. And I'm pretty sure that's going to look pretty nice. We're going to plant some flowers in the center and make something beautiful there. And as you can see in the background, we have some GreenStalks that I've got up to 3 high. We have a lot of wind here, and I don't want to think about them blowing over. I did get at the bottom that little turn thing that you can rotate it around. Want to share with you, this is 3 high. This is GreenStalks. As you can see on the bottom, they can turn around, and that way I can adjust. The plants can all have a little bit of sun. We did plant all 3. I have such wonderful grandkids that came over and helped me yesterday to get this project done. I'm so excited to see how these turn out. These did come to be stack 5, but because I have so much wind, I was scared that the wind might blow them over, so I only had them 3 high. I'm going to see if I can buy some more these and put them on top of the stack of 2. But we'll see if I can find them or not, or buy them. You know, we just do the best we can with what we have money-wise, and there is a limit on how much money I can spend in any given week. We're not counting the cost of the plants for this project because these plants have all been in multiple videos. I just took them out of their little containers for this project, for I would have something pretty to look at. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? And I still need to get a plant for the center. I don't know if I can find something here or not. We'll see. I have to look around and see what I still have left to plant. And this is my second set of 3 GreenStalks I have stacked on top of each other. And as you can see, they're at the bottom also rotate around. And they rotate very easily, even though they're full of soil, and they're doing just fine. I was very happy how this all turned out, and we'll get it looking better out here probably with the next update. And I'm sure by the next update these flowers will look pretty nice because they've been in their containers probably about 3 or 4 weeks out here. I've been taking pictures with them. So the only reason why they're not bigger than they are is because they've been left in small containers.